Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about cyclomatic complexity in software engineering in a very simple way. Okay, so introduction. See, cyclomatic complexity is a software metric that measures how complex a program is. Okay, and it was introduced by Thomas CMC Cap in 1976. So it basically tells us how many independent paths exist in the program. Okay, this is very useful in white box testing because it tells us the minimum number of test cases required to test the program properly. Okay, so why cyclomatic complexity is important? See, if cyclomatic complexity is low, the code is simple and easy to test. Okay, and if it is high, the code become difficult to test and maintain. So it helps developers and testers to measure, control and improve code quality. Okay, so the formulas of cyclomatic complexity, there are basically three ways to calculate cyclomatic complexity. First is V of G equals E minus N plus 2. Okay, so here is E is the number of edges in the control flow graph. Okay, and N is the number of nodes. Okay, see here V of G equals P plus 1. Okay, here P is the number of predicate nodes or decision points like if, while, or for or case. Okay, and now V of G equals the number of regions in the flow graph. Okay, so here is the example. Consider a program with one if else statement. See, here is one decision point because of the if statement. Okay, so cyclomatic complexity is P plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, this means we need two test cases. First one when the condition is true, then one when the condition is false. And now acceptable range between 1 to 10 good and simple, between 11 to 20 moderate complexity, between 21 to 50 complex, more than 50 very high complexity should be reduced. Okay, advantages: helps in identifying complex code, ensures adequate testing, guides developers to simplify logic. So here limitation: works only on control flow, not on code quality or readability. For very large programs, calculation may be time consuming. Okay, so conclusion is, so cyclomatic complexity helps us to measure the complexity of code, plan the required number of test cases and improve software quality. Okay, so it is one of the most useful metrics in software engineering. Okay, that's all about cyclomatic complexity. Okay, thank you.